Today we will discover the top 10 best Austria locations. Let's begin! Number 10. Bad Gastein. Tucked away in the pristine Hohe National Park, Bad Gastein is a spa town that elegantly combines nature and architecture. The town is peppered with Belle Epoque buildings and set against the backdrop of towering mountains, offering visitors an invigorating experience. At an elevation of 3,000 feet, Bad Gastein's air is as pure as it gets, drawing wellness enthusiasts to soak in its therapeutic hot springs and indulge in spa rituals. Beyond relaxation, the town is a magnet for adventure seekers. Winters see a flurry of skiers carving the snow, while summers are abuzz with hikers and bikers exploring the mountainous terrains. Number 9. Wörthersee. Nestled in Carinthia, Lake Wörthersee stands out as Austria's summer hotspot. The lake's shimmering blue waters beckon canoeing aficionados and those keen on exploring its depths. For the more subterranean inclined, the region offers a network of caves, with the Griffin Stalactite Cave stealing the spotlight for its vibrant hues. History and architecture lovers will find solace in the ancient walls of the Cathedral of Gurk, dating back to the 12th century. Meanwhile, the town of Gmund holds a special treat for vintage car enthusiasts, being the cradle of the iconic Porsche. Number 8. Graz. Austria's second-largest city, Graz stands as a beacon for the academically inclined, boasting 6 prestigious universities that cater to over 44,000 students. It isn't just modern academia that Graz is celebrated for. The city is also revered for its impeccably preserved old town that echoes the cultural nuances of the Balkans and Italy. Visitors can embark on a cultural sojourn, hopping from one museum to another, exploring diverse themes from art to weaponry. Gastronomically speaking, Graz doesn't disappoint. As a designated City of Culinary Delights, the city offers an international platter of flavors. A must-try and take-home souvenir for culinary enthusiasts is the locally produced pumpkin seed oil, especially after indulging in the summer farmers market. Number 7. Großglockner Alpine Road. The Großglockner High Alpine Road is not just a road but a journey through Austria's breathtaking landscapes. Named after the country's tallest mountain, this serpentine road navigates the lofty Hochtor Pass at 2,500 meters. Along the stretch, the road offers panoramic vistas of valleys and mountainsides that are sure to captivate every traveler's heart. However, a word to the wise, always check its operational status. Typically, it's accessible from early May till the end of October. Number 6. Wachau. The Wachau Valley, with the majestic Danube River coursing through it, is a gem in Austria's tourist crown. Historical anecdotes are aplenty here, like the town of Dünstein, where Duke Leopold V once imprisoned the famed British monarch Richard the Lionheart in the late 12th century. Meanwhile, Melt boasts the stunning Benedictine Abbey. But it's not just history. Wachau is also a haven for wine connoisseurs and fruit enthusiasts, especially those with a penchant for apricots. Given that the valley houses over 500 historical sites, visitors indeed face the delightful dilemma of choosing where to start. Number 5. Zell am See. Nestled in the state of Salzburg, Zell am See is a picturesque amalgamation of majestic mountains and serene lakes. The town has an intriguing history, with a chapter where it was once under French rule in the early 1800s. Winter sports enthusiasts might recognize Zell am See as the backdrop for several international skiing events. Beyond the snow-laden slopes, the Romanesque St. Hippolytus Church stands tall as an iconic attraction, especially noted for its early 16th century elevated walkway. For those itching to experience the Großglockner Alpine Road, Zell am See serves as the perfect launchpad for this high alpine adventure. Number 4. Innsbruck. Innsbruck, aptly named as the Bridge over the Inn, stands out as a destination for all seasons. This city in the Tyrolean region is globally recognized for its prowess in winter sports, a reputation further cemented by hosting the Winter Olympics twice in 1964 and 1976. However, Innsbruck's allure isn't limited to its snowy slopes. It presents a rich tapestry of history and culture, from the Grand Hofkirche Cathedral, which enshrines the tomb of Emperor Maximilian I, to the Schloss Ambras with its exquisite collection of art and armor. The city's legacy in bell craftsmanship spanning 4 centuries is celebrated at the Bell Museum. Subscribe and like the video, and let's go to the top 3. Number 3. Salzkammergut. Salzkammergut weaves a picturesque tapestry of pristine lakes, rolling hills, majestic mountains, and enchanting towns like St. Wolfgang and Hallstatt. Those familiar with the cinematic classic, The Sound of Music, will instantly recognize the breathtaking landscapes of this region, as many scenes from the film were captured in Salzburg and the adjoining Salzkammergut area. Apart from its visual appeal, the region beckons with its rejuvenating spa treatments and vibrant resort culture. Embracing the local spirit, visitors often sport traditional attire, lederhosen for men and dirndl for women. Number 2. Salzburg. Nestled in the heart of Austria and close to the German border, Salzburg is eternally etched in history as the birthplace of the musical genius Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. A magnet for travelers, Austria's 4th largest city resonates with melodies that have left an indelible mark on the world. Salzburg, with its medieval fortress perched atop a hill, its charming Altstadt, and the stunning panorama of the Alps, epitomizes Austrian grandeur. Fans of The Sound of Music can trace the cinematic journey by visiting landmarks like the Baroque Mirabell Palace and Gardens and the iconic Von Trapp family residence, now transformed into a hotel. Mozart's legacy is enshrined in his birthplace and meticulously reconstructed home. Number 1. Vienna. Vienna, Austria's vibrant capital and its largest metropolis, evokes images of graceful ballroom dances, particularly with its association with Johann Strauss. The tradition of hosting over 200 balls annually keeps the city's elegant legacy alive. Yet the city's musical roots run deeper, being home to maestros like Mozart, Brahms, Beethoven, and Schubert. Beyond its musicality, Vienna offers a dive into history, with sites like the Hofburg showcasing the opulent jewelry of the Habsburg dynasty, and the Kunsthistorisches Museum, renowned for its illustrious collection of old master paintings. Furthermore, Vienna's iconic cafes provide the perfect respite for tourists, letting them soak in the ambience before their next adventure. Comment your favorite Austria location and unleash your wanderlust by watching our latest video. Cheers!